everyone. I'm very happy to join this ViVEXELT project, and I'm very happy to be representative for Group 7 to present our lesson plan today. My group has 2 members to work together, me and Han Fang. So there are some shortcomings from this lesson. The first, I will present this our lesson. Yeah. Warm up. We show these pictures. We show the picture and ask our student this question: have you ever seen this natural disaster in our country and in the world? How do you feel about that? And what can we do to reduce, to stop a natural disaster like this? From student answer, teacher list to the lesson. The lesson today, climate change, is 83 13 of national United Nations. Yeah. Yeah, the first is that we ask students, what's the difference between the weather and climate? And ask students to watch a video clip, and we divide the class into 4 groups. Expected students in our class about 20 students. So we ask them to watch a video clip. This link to video clip, I present it in generally is a page I have studied from ViVEXELT project. So I apply this into our lesson. Yeah.
Outside your window. Is it hot and sunny? Is it cloudy and rainy? Is there snow on the ground? When you look out the window.
Yeah. After that, we ask students to present their ideas on the Padlet I have presented for them. Yeah, the link to Padlet here. Group 1, 2, 3, 4. And so my student can present their idea on this Padlet. The next question is that we ask students what's climate change. Based on their own knowledge, they can discuss in pair, and they present the idea, what's climate change. After that, teachers summarize the main idea. What's climate change? Climate change is any change, something like that. Yeah. And we turn into the next. We will ask a student to watch a video clip too, and we ask them what are causes of climate change. Based on their own knowledge about the life and watch a video clip, they can give some causes of climate change. Now this link to the video clip.
Grammarly helps you work more efficiently, which makes accomplishing your work goals easier than ever before.
Human activities, from pollution to overpopulation, are driving up the Earth's temperature and fundamentally changing the world around us. The main cause is a phenomenon known as the greenhouse effect. Gases in the atmosphere, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide.
They present the ideas. And after that, teacher also summarize the main idea. Yeah, teacher show some more pictures, and ask them to give some more information about causes of climate change. And after that, teacher also summarize the main idea. The first one, greenhouse gases. The second, destructions of land ecosystem and deforestation. The third, destruction of marine ecosystem. And last, population increase. As students, after studying the lesson, if students want to have more information, they can join this and to get this information. Yeah, because it's online. The next, while speaking, after that, we continue to divide class into 4 groups too, and ask them how can climate change affect Earth. We also ask them to watch a video clip. Yeah, this link to the video clip.
Human activities, such as Greenland and Antarctica, are melting. The extra water that was once held in glaciers causes sea levels to rise and spills out of the oceans, flooding coastal regions. Warmer temperatures also make weather more extreme. This means not only more intense major storms, floods, and heavy snowfall, but also longer and more frequent droughts. These changes...
Yeah. The leader of each group will present the idea. The leader of each group will present the idea. And we are teachers, so we summarize the main idea for them. Yeah. And I link the summarized idea. Floods, droughts, storms, heavy snowfall, fatal disease, lack of food. Yeah. And the last one. After they have discussed a lot of causes, in fact, so what can we do to stop or to reduce climate change? Ask them to look at this picture and ask them, how do you feel about these pictures? The first, the second, the first, the second, the first, the second, the first, the second, and compare, yeah? And then ask them to watch a video clip too, and ask them a question. How do we stop climate change? This link we insert here. So this link to gives there's some more information. Yeah. Yeah, so we can hear.
Ahead of us. Take your home. To combat climate change, what can we all do to make a difference? Well, fortunately, there's a lot. First, think about your home. If you're leaving lights on when you don't need them, turn them off. Switch off electrical appliances at the wall.
A lot.
Don't
1
leave
minute.
them on standby. There's a good chance that your central heating and hot water uses a gas boiler. So whenever the boiler is on...
So we summarize the main idea. Student present the idea, and then we summarize the idea here. Yeah, and we ask them to play a game climate change on Quizzy. Yeah, here. It's Quizzy. Some trouble with my Quizzy. Yeah. So this quiz is it talk about climate change, causes, effects, and we can copy the link here for our students to try the game to make the lesson more interesting. Yeah, that's on our group lesson.